I want to talk to my young aspiring mechanics right now. Okay, the guys that's really contemplating being an automotive service technician, okay, as a career. All right, let me talk to you for a minute about your sensitivity level, okay, your Mr. Do Right, Do Everything Perfect mentality. Guys, sometimes that will be put into jeopardy, that will be put into question. Okay, prime example, I got this transmission I'm about to take out, right? You know, in order to get a transmission out, parts of the suspension have to be removed. For instance, I got this axle out. Now, this side here, in order to get this other side axle out, guys, I have to take 3 bolts out right here. All right, now hear me out. In order to get those bolts, I have to get back there with my ratchet, right? There is no room. There is simply no room, not much room to get back there because of that shield right there. Y'all see that shield? All right, as I was explaining to one guy, you can get it out. You can get your ratchet back there. You just will have to either remove this shield or bend this shield. I choose to bend it every time, guys. All right, y'all see what I'm doing right there? See, I'm bending it so I can get my air tube back there to get those bolts off. Guys, a lot of guys think that is blasphemy. That is terrible. That is bad. You shouldn't have to do this. Some guys will attempt to remove this shield. You know how much additional work that is? All right, guys, now 2 things was accomplished by simply bending this shield out of the way. I'm able to get my air ratchet back there and remove these 3 bolts. Okay, now with those bolts out of the way, I can simply tilt this head back and remove the complete half shaft axle assembly. Okay, so yes, guys, don't be so caught up into I can't do that, guys. Really analyze the situation and see if this is really what you want to do, because there's going to be times you will be tested as far as doing right way, wrong way, easier way, hard way, things like that. It's not that it's wrong, okay? It's just gonna be a call you have to make as you grow in your mechanical career. Okay, this is not bad. In fact, if you really want to be sensitive about it, just try to bend it back out of place. I tend to not even worry about it because it's not doing anything anyway. But for those sensitive guys that this bothers, be sure this is what you want to do, guys, because you're going to be faced with decisions like this all throughout your career. Hashtag short. Guys, this is why you need to know when to quit on repairs. Some of you DIY guys, or even some of you shops. Now take a look at this. This is brand new. Radiator brand new. Hose is brand new. Even the fan is brand new. Even the water pump is brand new. It's in for overheating, guys. I started this car up and it started spitting out white smoke. There is no way I'm going to attempt to repair or work on such an engine with that many miles. And on top of that, guys, when I take this off and look around here, do y'all see that? Now this sun is blocking me. What is that a sign of? High pressure buildup, guys. I'm not gonna just yell out head gaskets because I don't know. The engine will have to come apart. But this is enough right here for me to believe there's something internal going on. Okay, and with that many miles, I don't care what y'all say. We're gonna have to recommend a complete engine. We will not try to repair this, guys. I don't know what you guys doing out there. Everything has been done on this car. It's still overheating. I'll keep y'all up to date, man. Hashtag shorts. Alrighty, guys, real quick, I don't know why y'all out there sleeping on y'all services. This is a transfer case, ladies and gentlemen. If your car is equipped with 4-wheel drive, you're gonna have a transfer case or either a PTU. Okay, that's just so you can transfer power to the front and the rear wheels. Now it requires service, guys. In fact, this transfer case, here's the drain service port, here's the field. Now what we're about to do is just that, service it. Now take a look at this, guys. The fluid is nothing special, okay, just typical ATF plus 4. Now let's get this drain plug open. First of all, we're gonna make sure the field plug will open. All right, yeah, you don't want to open this and fill this up. Yeah, as simple as that, guys. That's all we're doing is draining the fluid, and I'm just gonna fill it back into this hole right here until fluid come out. That's all. You see how easy that was? Stop sleeping on this, guys. In my opinion, every 50,000, between 40 and 50,000 miles, guys. All right? Y'all stay tuned for more. The LCD spark plug, that is why it's always risky doing a tune-up on older model car. And when you do a tune-up, you got to replace the spark plugs. In order to gain access to the spark plugs, you got to remove the coil. Well, I took this coil here off, and guess what? Bloop. Old and brittle ass plugs. Now, I'm going to do another one while on camera, just to see. Come on now, baby. Don't do me like that. Come on. Oh, that one came out. Good. Let's try another one. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, okay. Well, maybe it was just this one. All right. They may end up, well, I haven't done the other 3, but they may just end up needing a plug. I can't fix that, guys. Stay tuned. Well, looky. I smell gravy. Yeah, buddy. Timing belt, guys. This is 3.5 V6 on a Dodge. No, this is a Chrysler 300. Okay, when you're doing a timing belt, you might as well do a water pump, right? Now, also the timing belt based off the mileage. It's like 150,000 miles. And they never had it done. Hey, knock on wood, people, because I usually sell timing belts at 100,000 mile increments. Okay, yeah, this should be fairly easy. I got a timing belt. Water pump, pulley. Now I'm missing a tensioner, okay? Depending on how soon it's gonna get here, we might go without that. That tensioner never fails. This here fails sooner than the timing belt. Yeah, if this go, it could be catastrophic, guys. I've seen these really cause some havoc on engines, okay? But yeah, I gotta remove all this cover, bring up top dead center, then take the belt off, and then start replacing things. Drain the cooling system. Notice I got Mopar. None of that Derman cooling over here, y'all. Gotta go. Y'all see that? Yes, now I'm glad I sold it, guys. Look at this mess. All right, yes, this water pump was starting leaking. Guys, this is time, okay? Remember, this car got over 100,000 miles, so I recommended it just based off of that alone, okay? She didn't have no problems, but I'm gonna tell y'all what this could lead to. Y'all see that? This is gonna turn into liquid coolant eventually. Once liquid coolant hit this belt can jump timing. Guys, when a car, a V6 engine like this, jump one tooth off, it will exhibit all kinds of crazy drivability problems. From that, some cousin Pookie mechanic would get it, start writing up spark plugs, tune up, all this old crazy stuff when all it is out of time. I've seen one tooth off tricks so many mechanics, but you can avoid being one tooth off by simply replacing your timing belt when you're supposed to. All right, she's gonna feel good. In fact, I'm gonna bring her down here to show that she made the right decision by getting this done. Okay, no, we're not trying to rip you off or trying to scam you. You need it. All right, guys, let's go over some more tips. Like I told y'all, in the middle of doing this water pump and timing belt job. Now, guys, do not disassemble anything major such as the timing belt until you bring top dead center up, okay? In fact, mark your cam. You see that yellow mark right there? And I got one on the crankshaft down there, and I got to put one right here. Where is my mark? Find your marks. Like I say, bring top dead center up, and then find your mark. Where is my freaking mark? Oh, right there. All right, and put some, I'm using this junkyard paint, okay? Now, that mark actually go right here. This is the mark in the cover, okay? So what I'm going to do is rotate the engine over until these marks line up. Only then, and only then, will I remove the timing belt. You see that? All right, now I got everything lined up. Yep. Crankshaft. Yep. Now it's safe to disassemble the timing belt. Take the timing belt off. When you get ready to go on with a new belt, just go back in with the same spot. Stay tuned.